me their special deal, $5 for this LED light. They got me some magnets for the toolbox, you know what I'm saying? And then some eyewear to protect my eyes so I don't get oil when I'm on the engine.
What the?
What you get? Oh, I ask you later.
What's that? Oh, what I get? That's in the back.
I'm a Filipino southerner. Okay, we happy. Time to go and eat some islands.
Island, brother.
Yeah, my camera's. I did.
Cocktail.
What?
Cocktail? Oh god.
What you got? Damn, we did abolish the freaking nachos. Alright, let's eat. We got the Aptos ice cream. This guy really enjoying his mint ice cream. Mint chocolate chip or mint? I don't even know anymore, dude. Look at his truck, his Tacoma. Look at that. Okay. What you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver.
Are you recording? Almost said something.
Yes.
Not family friendly.
And the trim tool. Okay. Great talk.
I gotta do a laundry, man.
Alright, we got the tool cart pulled out so you can start working on what we're going to do today. Where is the Harbor Freight?
You can just... There's a lever on the seat where it goes down. Hello.
Hey man, sometimes I just like to work a little bit harder.
Hey, you're cutting that. Cut that.
Alright, so for another mod on my nephew's truck, we are installing this T10 LED kit. So the T10s fit for his instrument panel, or as I like to call it, gauge cluster, and it is RGB controlled, so we'll give some flair to it. First step you're gonna need to do, is you're gonna need to take this off, because this is hidden behind this. So remember the radio install? So
I really don't.
So the first thing is, remember these knobs?
Yeah.
Take those knobs off. Put it on the tray. Because you're not patient, asshole.
Not really.
So now pull that out. Nice and slowly, now that we got the two cigarette lighters unplugged. Just put it right here. Next to me. Next to me. You are learning today. Look at that.
I'm scared.
There we go.
Oh my god.
Now the reason why I won't pry out is because you got two screws. One more screw right down there.
Stump that.
That's why it's preventing the plastic. Why, dude?
Bro, I'm so full.
I forgot about unplugging the wires. Don't pull it. No, you gotta press a tab. Right here.
We'll see that. Oh, there. Exactly. Oh, this is a screw.
Yeah, those two screws. Hold down there.
Oh, dude,
How do you not know? And you installed that quick release yourself.
it's been a while.
You've done it twice. One on the truck and one on the Civic.
Yeah, but the Civic only had two.
No, it had three. You were just missing a bolt.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Apparently there's one more bolt down there that we forgot to pry out the trim.
What?
Yes.
What?
Okay, now that we got the hardest part of the install, which is the main plastic bracketry, which is giving us an issue with all the things plugged in, the gauge cluster or instrument panel needs to be removed. I don't know why I started there. There's 4 bolts, 2 on each side. You have bottom right, top right, bottom left, and top left. So everything else should be
I don't
easy.
even know my left and right.
Of course you don't.
That's fucked up, bro. I was just kidding.
Now all the 4 screws are out. Careful, there's wire harnesses on the back. So you unplug where we unplug, here and here, right?
Here, here, and here.
These two. It's 2 or 3? Oh, 3. Okay, so the main bulbs you're gonna want to replace are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
The 4 green ones. Okay, so you have 4 green ones. You're gonna put 4 new ones. Get the box first.
Okay.
Oh, open the box then.
Well, that was easy.
Yeah, it's not hard at all. Here.
It's just to hold this extra bowl.
Alright, he is putting the last
Almost put it the wrong way.
LED in, and we're gonna test to see if it works. So now, just sit it on there, plug the plugs back in,
Oh, I'll put the plugs back in. Right.
and then I'm gonna put the key in the ignition and see if it works.
How'd it go again? Just kidding.
You should turn off the yeah, that light.
Oh man,
What is that?
my camera.
Oh. We got it working now finally. So you gotta, when you test it, you gotta make sure that thing is plugged. That
Yeah,
adjusts the
yeah.
brightness.
I'll turn this off.
But everything is working good now. Looks pretty sick. See, with the Hondas, you don't need that plugged in.
Ah, that makes sense.
That's why I was tripping out.
And then changing these lights too. Well, this one's dead. Have to change it anyway. Oh, that's dope.
Looks like Halloween over there.
I know. And then we got fade.
Or that bulb, I should say. Pretty sick though. So let's look at the remote real quick. Show on the video what we got for the remote.
So we got deep in color, so you can
Red.
make it bright.
I think it's at its brightest.
Make it bright, make it low. You can turn them off, but
We got what?
let's never turn them
Red,
off.
green, blue, white. Alright, we're testing it out, but once we get it all situated, understand what the features are, we're gonna wrap everything up and put everything back together. But everything looks cool. Yeah. Alright, see you on the next clip.
That's, I didn't want that to happen. Smooth is not smooth. Smooth is like a strobe.
Pretty sick. Alright, we just finished the light install on his instrument cluster. Mr. Mark, what did you think about it? Damn, it looks so white.
recommend. It's very nice. If you have the decent.
And I'm so dark. You're like white, I'm like super dark.
I'm getting light.
I'm getting light. There we go. Even the light. Ah. Anyways, my phone's about to die, so we're gonna close off this video. Thank you guys for watching.
More content coming soon.
Yes, sir. Oh,
Follow me on the TikTok.
yeah, I'll add his TikTok on the description. And if you want to buy the LEDs, I'm gonna also add in the description.
No, don't copy me. No, I'm just kidding.
All right.
Yes.
Close the video now because my phone's gonna die. It's on 2%. Catch you later. Deuces.